In this video, we're diving into how to collect insights from support tags and labels, a powerful way to analyze customer interactions and improve your support strategy. Whether you're managing customer service data or trying to make smarter decisions, understanding these tags and labels can unlock actionable insights. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to do this quickly and efficiently. Plus, I'll also reveal an exclusive free trial to the software we're using, available only to my viewers. So stick around for that. So let's start with what support tags and labels are. Essentially, tags and labels are identifiers that categorize support tickets based on topics or urgency. These labels help you easily sift through a large number of tickets and analyze trends over time. For example, if you're tracking issues with a particular feature of your product, applying a bug label can help you track all tickets related to that issue. First, it's crucial to set up your tagging system right. Tags should be specific but broad enough to cover common customer issues. For instance, tags like payment issues, feature request, or technical support are ideal. The goal is to create a system that's easy to manage and helps you categorize tickets in a way that you can extract useful patterns. Next, let's talk about the insights you can gather. By sorting your tickets based on these tags, you can see which areas are seeing the most activity. Maybe you're getting more support requests for a specific product feature, or perhaps certain types of issues are more frequent during certain times of the year. These insights can help you prioritize what needs attention or improvement. When you start collecting data, it's all about organizing it in a way that allows you to extract trends. Many customer support platforms give you analytics tools to track how often specific tags appear, and you can often visualize this data in charts or graphs. Look for spikes in particular tags. If you see a rise in the refund label, for example, that could be a sign that there's a larger issue with your payment system. One of the most powerful ways to collect insights is by using filtering options in your software. This allows you to dive deeper into specific tags. You can filter by date, severity, or even customer sentiment, giving you more granular insights. For example, filtering by technical issue and reviewing the responses can help you identify whether your team's response time is adequate. Now, let's talk about the software we'll be using. This software is one of the best tools for managing support tags and labels, offering robust features that make it easier to track and collect insights from customer tickets. You can filter by any tag, generate reports, and quickly analyze ticket trends. And like I mentioned earlier, you can get an exclusive free trial to this software if you want to follow along and get the same tools I'm using. The key takeaway here is that collecting insights from support tags and labels is a game changer for improving your support process and making data-driven decisions. By categorizing your support tickets efficiently, filtering the data, and analyzing trends, you can make more informed decisions that help improve your customer experience. To recap, start by creating a clear tagging system that suits your needs, use filters to dive deeper into specific insights, and look for trends that will guide your next moves. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can start applying these strategies today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.